These rough country neoprene seat covers are tailored to fit late-model Ford F-Series crew cab trucks with front bucket seats, so they hug the factory contours instead of looking loose or generic. The four-layer build, combining a tough outer skin with cushioning underneath, makes them feel substantial while standing up well to daily climbing in and out of the cab. Their neoprene surface shrugs off spilled drinks and muddy clothes, yet still breathes enough that you do not feel like you are sitting on sticky plastic in warm weather. Coverage extends across the front seats, headrests, and the split rear bench, giving practical protection from kids, pets, and work gear throughout the cabin. Once installed correctly, they stay put without sliding or bunching, which helps preserve the original upholstery and keeps the interior looking tidy over time. For truck owners who actually use their rigs, these covers offer a smart balance of comfort, protection, and a clean factory-like appearance.